We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're looking at a Xerox WorkCenter 6605 printer. The problem the customer's having is whenever they're making copies or scans to the top document feeder, they're getting lines and blemishes on their copies and scans. So that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So to fix that, if we lift the scanner here, you see there's actually two different pieces of glass on the scanner. There's the large flatbed scanner, and there's a small piece of glass on the left side of the printer. That's actually where the document feeder does all of its scanning. So because that's where we're having most of our trouble here today, we're going to focus on that small piece of glass on the left side of the printer. In order to clean it, we're going to use a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol, but I prefer glass cleaner. The biggest tip I can give you though is if you notice I'm not applying the glass cleaner to the glass itself, I'm applying it to the cloth. If you apply the glass cleaner directly to the glass, you run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass and causing a lot of other issues. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. And now that we have our cleaner and our cloth, we're just going to go ahead and start cleaning the glass. Again, because our problems were from the document feeder, we're focusing on this little piece of glass on the left side of the printer. And you just want to get it nice and clean. Look for any tape, whiteout, some little spots with ink on them. Sometimes if there's a little really dark spot, you got to rub over it a couple times to get it off. They're a little stubborn. And then while we're here, we're just going to go ahead and wipe off the flatbed scanner, because they can be highly prone to fingerprints and dust, things like that. Alright. So after you wipe it off, look it over, see if you've missed anything. If you see anything obvious, like either like a light spot or a dark spot on the glass somewhere, just go back over that area and clean it one more time until everything looks nice and clean. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I'd recommend closing the scanner and running some test copies or scans through the machine just to make sure that all those blemishes and lines go away. Once you're happy with the results, that you're good to go. If you're still getting faint lines or faint little blemishes, there's still probably something on that scanner glass that's just hard to see. Just go back over it 1 or 2 more times. That should take care of it, and that's it. It'll be back up and printing.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.